Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. Hopefully, you guys been enjoying the volatility over this past week. It's been pretty crazy in the markets right now, and this is what I talked about. With earnings and everything going on, that's what we're going to see, right? We're going to see these last minute buy-ins and stuff going on, and people taking profit and stuff. So now after we get those buy-ins, where do we go next, right? Do we continue going up on this uptrend, making these new highs for SPY, or are we going to see a pullback? And that's what we're going to talk about today. So we already know, like, resistance wise, like 451, 452, that's a pretty heavy resistance on SPY. Okay. So if we do have a pullback, we need to pay attention to those levels. 450, definitely a strong level. 449, right? So if we break that level, then that's when the pullback starts, right? And you can see we've been going up for quite a bit of time, So it's really only a matter of time until we start dropping again. And sort of looking at different time frames and stuff for SPY real quick. And you can see it's just a small little spot that we have, a little window here at this 450. All right, so we got to stay above 450 if we're going to go higher. It's really what I'm trying to say. If we do keep going higher, we got our resistance here at 453. And I believe 453 was our all-time high, right? But we have moved up quite a bit, and again, that has a lot to do with earnings. But let's just see if we can keep moving up. If we can't, where are we going to go down? Let's see. 450, we know that's a strong support. So if we break, 450, 447 might be a retest. And if we break that, we go all the way back down to, 440. That's kind of where I'm seeing. Yeah, 445, something around there. And if we break 445, we see 437. So those are my levels: 437, 444. That's our mean or middle area. And our top area is 454. If we keep being bullish, we'll hit 454. All right. Checking out Bitcoin real quick. So Bitcoin got some news that it's going to come into, making an ETF. It's not necessarily a Bitcoin, but it is a derivative of crypto. So, pretty much you can see what's going on, right? You can see that Federal is trying to capitalize on crypto because they don't trust their markets anymore, right? They don't trust the USD as much. So, with that being said, what do we got? So we got 63,000, 63.7 right now that's holding a support. If we break below that, we go down to 62,000, which if it does hit 62, that's still higher than the previous drop at 61. So that would still be bullish. Not as strong, but it's still there, right? 64,006.7 is one resistance. Another resistance would be 65, and that would be our highest, for Bitcoin. If we hit these tops right here, we got 66,000, bottoms all the way down at 58,000. So let's just see what we got, going on with the higher time frame to see any squeezes. So 65,000 right there. So that's probably where Bitcoin's going to try to push up. It hit a test here on that deviation, if you can see on this backside right here. It hit that right there. So let's see if it wants to retest that same level. And that time it'll be higher at 65,000. All right. So our max is 66,000. That's what we're seeing. Our middle zone is 57, and then our minimum is 49,000. Anything under 49,000 is not good for Bitcoin. All right, so let's check out a little bit of these stocks. So I talked about AT&T. I'm in this position right now. We're still doing pretty good. It hasn't been as much as I've wanted it to go up to, but this is where these squeezes can happen, right? If the price can't make up its mind, we get a squeeze. It either goes up or it goes down. If it goes up, we got levels here at 26, all the way up here at 26.5. We might see that for the earnings play, and then if it goes down, then we got even lower, right? 24, which is going to break its previous low. 24, all the way down to the lower 24. So that's what we're looking for right now. We're bullish. We are still bullish for AT&T. It's sort of in the uptrend right now, so we will be paying attention to AT&T if we need to bail out of these calls if it breaks any of those levels. All right. So Verizon is doing earnings today. That's what we talked about. Our levels are pretty much right there. I suspect we're going to see some buyers come in. 53.30 is our resistance for Verizon, and if we break below, I would say 52.4, we're probably going to go lower. Retest 51.7 if we break that, all the way down to 50,000. So just to kind of play by play of possible areas Verizon could go. And if I'm going too fast, just go ahead and hit the back button and look again at it, and so you're for sure what's going on. So GameStop, a couple guys were looking at GameStop. They wanted me to check it out, so here I am checking it out. And we hit a level here at this 189.46. We've already hit that already. So I would say if we get above 189, that's going to hold a stronger support. Let's see if we can get some bullish momentum going through here. And I see a profit zone at 208, 209. If it can't break it though, and right now we're showing bullish on, at least on this chart. Let's see if we got any more. Yeah, so it looks like they did take a little bit of profit like yesterday at that 192. Let's see if they want to retest this 189. If they do, they're going to retest the 192. If we get over that, then we get to that 208. If it doesn't want to go, in our favor, let's just take a look at a lower time frame, see if we can find something that is a little closer that's going to help us out here on this play. So over 188, that's going to give us a signal that it's going to retest 189. If it can't break that, we got levels here at 180. We got another level at 185. So we'll be looking at those levels. 185, it breaks that. 180, you know the drill. So we need to get over 188 for this to be bullish, is what I'm really trying to say. All right, so we're going to go to Hood. And we can look at this. We can look at the smaller chart. I've already checked out Hood, so I know it's trying to break out. We know the level 42.33. That's what it has to get above. Let's see what our upside is for Hood. So we got a pretty good upside. If we can get over that 42.33 that we were talking about, it's going to try to retest that middle zone, about $43. So 43 calls might be in the money today, actually. So might be a good time to take advantage of it. If it stays above that price, then we're looking at levels at 45 and so on. This is a pretty decent squeeze going on through here. Let's see if we have any more data. So that data is a little little outdated actually. So Yeah, so 43, that's kind of a level I'm looking at. But you know what? This is kind of a short vid today. Hopefully those levels help you out. Let's check out Tesla real quick. So Tesla is testing this critical area 858. If it breaks that, we're going back down to 838. So if it does break 858, you can get in some puts. If it holds though, we're going up higher. 881 to 900, all the way up to 922. I'm seeing on this chart. Let's see if 922 is confirmation somewhere. Yeah, so about 915. All right, so yeah, 874, somewhere around there. So 874 was that previous level that we had to break, and we didn't. We failed it. So let's see if we can pass it this next time. To be bullish today, we need to get over 865. And all right, it was a short video. I appreciate all the support, guys. I'm going to try to do another class this weekend. Hopefully, you guys can make it. This time I will record it. And, we'll see if we can get in some trades today. And as always, like, share, and subscribe. Get into these algorithms, guys. You're not going to find nothing like them. I promise you, you're not going to find nothing like these. And at this price, no, no. All right, guys. I'll see you Friday. Peace.